Hello everyone, welcome back in my 90 days speaking challenge. This is day 2 and in today's video I am going to talk about why I want to learn this language. Yes, in today's video I am going to talk about the reason why I want to learn this language. To be very honest, English was not easy for me. I used to fumble a lot. I used to hesitate a lot. I had many thoughts in my mind. What if people think about me? What if I make mistakes many times? What if my English is not perfect? Many thoughts coming in my mind that time. What should I do? But slowly, by the time I realized very something very important. English is not just a language; it is a skill, and a skill can be improved by the time. It can change my life. That is why I started working English language, speaking in this language. There are so many reasons I started learning this language. My main reason is I want to become confident more in this language. When I used to hesitate, that time I was thinking I am not comfortable with this language. So firstly, I have to comfortable in this language. So I started communicate with the others. I start connecting with the others. So it was a very helpful moment. And the second reason I started learning this language, the reason is I want to grow in my uh, career. I want to connect with confidently and speak in this language with my students as well. So this is why I started learning this language. And my last reason is I want to connect more people who belong in a different state, different cities, different places. Because English is the global language. If we want to connect with the whole world, so it's a very compulsory to learn this language. With the help of this language, we can easily learn. So this is the main reason I started learning this language. And the most important thing, I want to grow every day. That is why I started this. English is just not a perfection. It is a progress. So this is my reason. What is your reason? Please let me know in the comment box. If you really like my video, so please like, share, follow and subscribe for more videos. We will meet again in the day 3 video of speaking challenge. Uh, Take care. Bye bye.